but I don't want to.
All right, let's get out of here.
Try to follow basically our course out here because we know it's clear.
Looks like a rock somewhere here.
All right, I'm ready when you are. Successful. Good job, like pretty much leaving and getting underway solo.
Yeah, man. Do you want to get like some close-up shots and then
Yeah,
you can catch it?
I still have 25 minutes. It hasn't given me any kind of warnings yet.
Nice. We're like dead downwind, by the way.
Yeah, I know.
It's snowing. Wait, no, it's raining. No, it's snowing.
Let me land the drone.
Yeah. Do you want me to catch it on the port side?
Port side.
Before that ship gets to us. Should I like?
Nope. No good thing. Just be ready to catch it. Ah. All right, trying that again.
Yeah, it was too high.
Yeah, and then it freaked out. I don't know why. I knew I didn't have that for some reason. I knew that I was gonna fuck that up.
Yeah, we're back.
Any prop damage? Somehow I managed to fly that through the boat
Like,
and
I was...
crash it and then recover it. I don't like flying this drone. I wish we could catch the other drone. Oh, but I knew I didn't have that landing. I shouldn't have pushed it.
Yeah, should have just gone backwards.
I should have left and come back. Like,
yeah.
Something about when I was coming and I was like, I don't have this, and I kind of forced it and I knew I shouldn't. That's it, I'm done. Let's jibe.
So we almost lost our drone today.
Every time we fly the drone, it's like, there goes $2,000. I hope we get it back.
Yeah, we haven't braved the elements yet to just fly the drone while we're actually like epically sailing, because every time we make sure that it's in calm enough condition that we can catch it, but even then it's like there's such a big chance that we just lose everything.
Oh my god.
What we do for the shots
and sleep for a week.
It's like sailing isn't stressful, but flying the drone and catching the drone, whoo, the most stressful part of a sailing channel.
Yeah, flying that drone, flying the drone while we're sailing for some reason. Like, I know it's just money, but it is $2,000.
Yeah.
Like, and it's, I don't know, something about it, it's more stressful than any situation we've been on the boat. I need to like go to a therapist about my anxiety about drone flying.
I mean,
you know what I feel like? I feel like, you know those videos of like the military pilots landing helicopters on moving ships and they're like matching the motion and they're like trying to land on the ship that's rock and roll? I feel like that, even though it's like calm.
Only your life isn't in danger when you do that.
Yeah, that's
only
true.
My fingers, that's it.
I need to change the settings on that drone. That thing, I hate flying that drone. I like the little one so much better.
Yeah. But the bigger one is easier for me to catch.
Exactly.
But
that little one, you'd never be able to
fly.
catch it unless you just like had
oh
a
my
net.
gosh, yeah. I would have to have some like steel gloves and just like go and just grab it.
No, I'll see if I can change some sensitivity settings because like it's too sensitive.
Whew. All right, well, I guess we're gonna be continuing our lovely sail.
Without any more drone footage, at least for tomorrow.
No more drone footage for today. We're done.
Well, we've turned a little bit more into the fjord, so the wind is starting to get lighter, and Time to roll the spinnaker back out. It's nice and calm sailing out here now. It's good for my emotional well-being. It's good for my psychological state. That was a beautiful unroll. Hells yeah.
Never knew what love was until I held you. I never knew the right words until I found you. These eyes are never open until I saw
Like a
you. Heart's now full.
All right, the maid's coming over. There's a little wind behind us now. Doing all right?
We just made our final turn and are officially out of the Trondheim fjord now. We have about 6 miles before we make it to the marina that we marked, which would be a perfect amount of time before the sun sets. Well, now it says we're gonna make it at 7 o'clock. So, but yeah, I think we should make it there before sunset. So far it's been a really chill sail. I'm not complaining. It's not that cold and it's super chill. Only Den is a little bit mad because he keeps saying that the current would be with us, but the current was never with us the entire time.
I don't get it.
3.8 through the water, and we're sailing over ground, and we're 5.6 through the water. It says we have 2.5 knots, 2.2 knots of current against us. I can't believe it, Kika.
Every time you think that we're gonna be with the current and we make a turn, it's like, boom, 2 knots against you. It's freaking ridiculous. And as far as we've been able to tell so far, we have not found a single good forecast of the currents and the tidal patterns here in Norway. The tide coming up and down is well forecasted, but like the currents in and around all these things are completely like 50-50, and they seem to always be against us. We were supposed to have 4 knots with us the whole sail out, and we had 0 current. And now we come around the corner and it's supposed to be a rising tide, which means it's supposed to be going north, and we have 2 knots against us. So, I don't know. I don't get it. It's just, I feel like it's like random.
It's not random.
I feel like it's random.
But also we haven't found a place, like a good database.
There's no database we've been able to find yet that has information on the currents, at least detailed. I mean, offshore currents are different, but detailed like currents around in all the fjords and how they eddy and how they spin. We haven't found any good information on that. So if you guys know of any, let us know. We'd love to know what the current is doing, because we do not. It's a nice departure. It's pretty. We didn't get too wet, didn't get too cold.
It wasn't too cool because how many layers are you wearing? No, how many layers are you wearing?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo! It's cold out here. 2 of them are pants. They're only, it's 4 jackets and 2 pants. Somehow that equals 7. They say.
I also have, I think I have, wait. Oh, I can't. I have like 1 glove, 1 hand for the camera. So this hand is always freezing. I have merino wool, fleece, puffer pants-ish, what's it called? Shell pants-ish.
Shallow pets.
And puffer top and shell top.
Toasty.
Toasty. I'm just gonna assume that he waved hi because I waved hi, but I couldn't see. But like,
I think he waved hi. No reason to
you
offend
can't really see through the window, but like, I always wave hi just in case they saw.
spot that you want to get me off the boat.
By that midship, I'm probably gonna get you by the white boat. So like, I'm gonna almost aim at it. Can you not jump?
No.
I can go forward a bit more.
We're gonna come back around again.
Okay.
So you're about 1 meter too far away.
Well, so the 3, 2, 1 was like 2.
2 more a little early on my part.
I can't just check it. No.
It's good practice to do it in reverse, to like come back around anywhere. Yeah, just do a donut around the water.
Yeah. Practice.
Yep.
It's okay. We have space. Yeah, which is fine. We're there. Cool. We got here.
Don't die. We got here and you fall in the ocean.
No, we got here just in time. The sun is starting to set, and we have time to dock a second time, prep the boat because the wind is gonna start becoming a little
Spicy.
within the next couple of hours. So, yeah, I think we're pretty much prepared for it now. So, there's also an airport, a military airport right here. So, hopefully they're not gonna take off and land
In the middle
all
of the night.
I think.
What do you think?
I love you.
Okay.
No.
Passionately.
Passionately. No, I was gonna say that I think you did a really good attempt. Like, what do they call the aircraft over the fly?
Touch and go.
Touch and go. Not quite.
It was a touch and go.
Touch and go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Flyby.
We were like 1 meter off. I
Yeah.
probably could have jumped, but I like. There's no reason
In
for
my
us
head,
to like go back around.
I think we were about like here. You would have.
No,
had
we were a
time
meter
to.
further than that. Like
Yeah.
I could have jumped, but like I wanted you to go back around again, and you did like a perfect oval, came back in. Second time was much better, so it was good.
Yeah. No, I know what I did wrong the first time. I turned too harshly, too fast, like too early.
And the wind kind of.
And the wind, took the bow, and it was, and so I had to go around. But then the second time,
Here comes another
I knew
plane.
what to do. So
Let's hunker down and let's wait for the 40 knots of wind tomorrow.
yeah, seriously.
I was just gonna film you going inside.
Oh, I can go inside.
Yeah, but you can. I think you're capable. Don't shut me outside. No. No.
Wait, they don't know you're outside. Just... Bye. Can you see me inside?
Yep.
Oh, damn it.
You're like, oh. All right.
Okay.